No. What? I love this alarm system. Oh, that's cool, but like, skipping? That's funny. But like it's all good. It's right here too, it's like.
Hey, crawl on the ground.
Like. Like, I'm rolling. Oh, it let me roll.
So if I roll on the ground.
Oh, it caught me.
Oh my goodness.
So if it like.
James Bond or something.
Stop! Oh wait, we're testing it out. Caitlin,
I'm done.
I will drive you home, I swear to God.
Alright.
Dana will kick your ass. Yeah, she would. I want to see if you like throw something. Caitlin, settle down.
Settle down. I'm not doing anything.
I'm scared my walker's gonna go off again. I was over there to get that drink.
Sky.
Where's the juice? Oh.
Sky, can you throw me something? I'm thirsty. I can't move.
I'm grabbing this and my legs and I'm going in the room.
Oh, this is so stupid. Ooh.
I just had like a
I'm coming. Wait, let's see if I can do this. Oh. Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh.
You caught it.
Oh. So close.
Where my legs at? Where my money at? I gotta get myself out of the living room. Well, we can stay in the living room, can't we? Yeah, we just don't go around the corner in the living room.
But I don't want to stay in the living room forever.
Yeah, so we're good in the living room if you want to stay in here right now.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to stay in the living room.